Hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can set up automatic email forwarding in Zoho Mail. So make sure that you do have the full access or the full version or the plan for this feature so that you will be able to actually do these steps. So once you're on your Zoho Mail, what you will have to do is click the settings icon, which is right here. And then what you will have to do is under the mail settings, you will look for email forwarding and pop IMAP. So search for email forwarding and then just click that. And then once you're here, you will have to add a forwarding email and you will click add email address. So go ahead and click that. And then you will enter the email where you want to forward the messages, and then you will click verify. So this is where you will put your email address. And then what you will have to do is confirm the forwarded email, and then Zoho will send a verification link to the email that you entered. And then what you will have to do is basically um you will just have to so by the way, this is where you will add the email. And then yeah, you will just have to click confirm once Zoho sends the verification link to you, and then return to Zoho Mail and then toggle on email forwarding. And then what you will have to do next is forward you can choose from forward all emails or forward with filters only. And that's it. Your Zoho Mail will now automatically forward emails to the address that you selected. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have an awesome day.